Hey, this is GamerKid17, creator of the Halo 3 UI, or whatever you would call it. I've been showing you screens of it for a while, but now I decided to give you a video to show what it looks like interactively. So I'm going to load it up. And you see I got my Halos windowed. Okay, cool. So once Halo loads up, it sort of looks like the Halo 3 UI. You got the little logo on the side over here, you got the little menu down here. These things all light up, the orange color. It's close enough to the real thing, I guess. Custom games, it usually says multiplayer in Halo CE, but I made custom games, guess what it has in Halo 3? Nico, shut up. Okay, I got X-Fire going on in the background. Anyway, when... I lost my train of thought. Okay, that's really getting annoying. Okay, yeah, anyway, custom games, that's the new multiplayer. Basically, this first screen is the only thing that's going to look like the Halo 3 part. Everything else is just the same colors. It's not really like the same menus. I can't make drop-down menus and all that like we do in Halo 3. It's not easy, maybe not even possible with the Halo CE engine. It's too crappy and old. And you're also very limited because there's some stuff that's hard-coded. And I don't know, that's all I can do. So if you go down the list, this is the one I'm working on right now. It's custom games. I got a lot of custom games done. Go to profiles. I started working. Actually, no, I didn't. This is a side effect of the tags I modified in the custom game section. So the lists look like this, only spread out and screwed up. I haven't done this part yet, so I got a lot to work on here. Probably the next one I'm going to work on is this right here, because it's pretty easy. Change the name, put them in order, make a little background, and it's done. Buttons still need fixing too. Let's click back. Settings. This is the one I worked on originally. I started this like before I started custom games, so it's like a really crappy version. I gotta fix this and make it match everything else. But yeah, this is sorta done. Not really much at all. Also, if you don't notice in the background, there is Halo 3 music. It's called Never Forget. You probably can't hear it because I turned it down so you can hear me over the music. So I'll turn it up for a little bit so you can hear it. It's going to be a quiet part of the music, isn't it? Yeah. But yeah, Never Forget plays in the background, and if I recall correctly, that's what plays on the main menu of Halo 3. Not really sure about that, but I think it is. So yeah, those are all your options. Click cancel. Credits, those are still the same. In the end, I probably will modify it, put my name in there somewhere. But yeah, those are the credits. I'll fix those later. So yeah, we go into custom games. This is the first screen I started modifying. This is where you choose if you want to join a game or create a game. Originally, it was down vertically like this, but I decided to go for a horizontal approach, and I have it like top and bottom. You can do all the buttons; they all highlight. This changes the picture when you do the edit game types. There's a little sound there. It's the same sound as always. I think I want to change that though. I don't know. Because I changed the Halo 3 music. So yeah, you go into here. That's not done yet. I probably got to work on that next. The buttons aren't even working yet. Probably just revamp it like I did everything else. Now if you go to create game, this is where I've been working on everything right here. This is the create game section. If you go into edit game types, I haven't even modified this either. I gotta fix all that too. Yeah, go to create game, internet. Here's all the maps. You now can hold 14 maps on one list instead of 9. So I guess it's convenient. I really have no idea. I think it's nicer because less scrolling, but oh well. I created custom images for every single map. Every single one I took in Halo myself. Kind of trying to get an aspect of what the map is. I made that one a little more cheery, since before it was like a green cave, kind of dark and eerie. Of course, everyone usually hates that map. Well, I do. I don't know about everyone else, but... Death Island, Danger Canyon, Infinity, Timberland, and Gyrophobia. I might change these little descriptions here, too. Like, I already did one up here, whereas it's Chiron. I threw that one in right there. I'll take suggestions from people if they want to put, like, descriptions in here themselves, and I'll put them in if I like them, so... Email me or Xfire me and I'll see if I'll put them in or not. If you go here, I got the unknown image. Right now it's like a placeholder. My friend Lyman is working on a new unknown image instead of this obnoxious, oh my god, this map is unknown. So let's go into Battle Creek, click OK, next menu. I didn't change the number here, I can't because it will glitch out or do something really crazy and stupid. So I can't fix this. You got the same number here, but oh well. You notice all the new images on the side. Got Slayer, Oddball, King of the Hill, Race, Capture the Flag. And if they're locked, it has like a little no smoking sign in the corner instead of that lock that was down here. I made a little box to hold everything. It's pretty basic, nothing really that advanced, but click here, the buttons are now orange when you highlight instead of red, and go over, same as always. I might change this black background here though, because it's kind of too thick, it doesn't match everything else, so I might change that. Let's go into Slayer, and here's the last menu, server setup. Nothing really changed much here, I just put new boxes in, made it a little neater, brand new font, I think, I'm not sure. Color's a little different. You click here, change the text thing, where you can type in your server name. You go into here, you can type in the password, which actually the text is bigger here than it is in the server. I have no idea why it's doing that. I gotta fix that too. This is about the same right here. You click through here, the little description's down here. Nothing really changed. I just expanded the box so it goes farther across the screen. And yeah, I was gonna put down little menus here for like edit game type, edit map, and everything, but it seemed kind of useless, and it was also too difficult and too hard, so I kind of gave up on that. And then if you notice, before I click this, I made a brand new loading screen. It's actually a campaign screenshot from Halo 3 I took about 20 minutes ago. I think it looks alright, but it only stays on the screen for like about 3 seconds and it's gone. So watch quickly. Actually, that was longer than I thought. I have no idea why the Halo thing comes in afterwards. I gotta fix that too. For some reason, it is both of them. It's supposed to do only the one I chose, but I'll figure that out later. Another thing you'll notice is, I'm about to tell you, I can't change this right here. It's not possible to change the UI map and also change this part, because this part of the UI is part of the actual map. Unless I can only do that if I edit every single map you ever had, which isn't going to work, so I can only change the UI map, not the actual UI in-game. So this won't change at all, unfortunately. I might release this new text thing. I made my own little text thing, so it's yellow text. I think it's nicer and neater. So I'll release that too if you want it. It's a Calibri yellow font, rather than that white Times New Roman. So yeah, let's leave game. And yeah, that's about it. I still gotta work on the join game types, the lobby, profile, the settings, the credits. There's a lot left to work on. And if you go to quit, I still gotta fix this right here where it's like faded over. No idea why that's doing that. But yeah, another thing, people keep asking me questions like when's it gonna be done and all that. I don't really have a deadline. It's just I work on that when I'm bored, so I really don't. I'm not trying to shoot for a goal here, so I'm not gonna give you like a certain date when it'll be done because I have no idea when it will be done. As you can see, there's a lot to be worked on. I have to do a whole bunch of other menus and a lot of other hidden stuff I never really found until now. So it's gonna take quite a while, even though I got a good portion of it done. Another thing people keep asking me is, well, how do you make a UI? I can't really give you a tutorial right now. I might work on one later in the future to help you guys out, but basically a lot of it is just guess and check. They give you coordinates, you go into Halo, and you just guess and check, and you exit Halo, recompile tags, use a combination of Cornman and Photoshop. Photoshop is loading slowly because I got Camtasia up, but yeah, that's the last thing I was working on was a loading screen. And you use and you also use a tool. It's pretty easy. It looks like complicated code, but it's not that hard really. I use this command here and this command here. That's about it. This one compiles the map. This one compiles the bitmaps. Once in a while, I compile a new font or something like that, but it's not that difficult. Tool is pretty easy to use. So that's about it. I think I'll update my blog when I get things done in certain sections. Keep you posted on that. But yeah, that's about it. So, I'll see you later.